Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So it's going to be a busy few weeks for us. We got the Audio Solutions show in Florence, Mississippi. We will be there Thursday, the 3rd, Friday the 4th, and then the motorcycle audio competition is Saturday the 5th. So that's April 3rd, 4th, and 5th. I will be in Florence, Mississippi, supporting Wayne and his crew with the Down South Sound Off show. It's going to be a motorcycle audio competition on Saturday. SOS rules, $5,000 in cash prizes. It's going to be a huge event. I'm super excited. Jay Ford from Custom Wings is bringing his monster heavyweight bike out. So it's going to be interesting to see if we get any other big bikes to come out there that can give Jay a run for his money. May 10th, Saturday, May 10th, I will be in Canada, Innisfield Mobile Electronics, at their barbecue, their meet and greet. And then June in Atlantic City, Knowledge Fest, 6th, 7th, and 8th, I'll be in Atlantic City. I'll be teaching a motorcycle audio class at Knowledge Fest. That's June, Atlantic City, New Jersey, 6th, 7th, and 8th. I'm not sure which day the class can be on, so if you're there, check out the schedule. I'd love to see you in my class. So Mobile Solutions will be there on Thursday, the 3rd. We have some installs we're going to be helping Wayne with. On the 4th, Friday the 4th, 5 p.m., we will be having a motorcycle audio tuning class. So all the classes are free, the event's free. You only have to pay to compete if you choose to compete on Saturday. So the class on Friday night will cover proper system planning, proper wiring, battery upgrades, wiring upgrades, and proper tuning. We're gonna get as much info in as possible. I know Kevin from Ultimate Marketing is bringing a bunch of shop owners in that want to step up their game in motorcycle audio, so we're going to be helping them out. The class can be pretty packed. I recommend you get there early. We're going to be starting around 5 o'clock on Friday the 4th, Friday, April 4th. Class 100% free. It's going to be a great time. This is going to be a great event. It was a great event last year and it's the first time doing it. This year is going to be even better. Wayne has spent a ton of money on this beautiful custom built shop that he has. I want you guys to come out and check it out. So Thursday, April 3rd. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we're going to be doing free tunes all weekend. So Thursday, April 3rd, I fly in. We'll be doing free tunes all day and then helping Wayne some installs. Friday, April 4th, we'll be doing free tunes all day, plus our class starts Friday night at 5 p.m. And Saturday, April 5th, be doing free tunes all day, and that's going to be the audio show and competition. Florence, Mississippi, Audio Solutions. May 10th, on Saturday, I'll be flying to Canada, Innisfield Electronics, to their meet and greet barbecue. On June 6th, 7th, and 8th, we'll be at Knowledge Fest, Atlantic City. So hope to see you guys there. I want to see if somebody could beat Jay. Jay's bike's pretty awesome. I want to see if anybody can come out and give him a challenge. It's less than a week. It's just about a week away, so it's tomorrow's Saturday. So it's going to be next Saturday. Hope to see you guys there.